Hi, this is Tony from Sanitary TonySourcing. From the Sanitary showroom, we know this factory. Today we wanted to visit this factory. This factory has over 10,000 square meters and have over 100 workers. Today I will show you how they make a toilet from the raw material. This factory, they start from 10 years ago and they export to global. Every day they produce over 300 toilets. Actually, it's one container schools. Are you interested? Okay, let's see the whole process. Okay, now we are in the material part. So behind me is the clay. So inside that's 2 or 3 kinds of clay. They will use this machine to mix the raw material and then they will store it in here. So this is the raw material. Finally, we will build up the toilet. Behind me, this is the toilet mold. So this is a mold. So they will inject the material inside, like here. Use this pipe to inject the material inside, and then some not used material comes out. Finally, you will see what's going on. Okay, this is the molding and injection part. So you can see here, that's around 200 molding here. The material will inject inside this mold. And wait for 1 day, the toilet easy mold comes out. I will show you. After injection, actually the workers have to take off the mold piece by piece to take it off, and they will come out the first mold. So this is the mold, the final mold after the injection. So next time they can use this mold to build another toilet again. So actually after molding, the mold still not perfect because it's without the hole. They still have something scratch. So the workers will mend it with some liquid or some material to make it more perfect. Let's see how they work. So now they are making the surface more smooth. They will use the line to check it every detail. Okay, after injection, actually, this product now is a little bit soft. When I touch it, still can make some scratching. So you need to put it for here around 24 hours to make it more stable and harder. And then we'll go to the next step. Do you know why this toilet looks like sparkling and very smooth? Because on the surface they add a liquid. How they add the liquid on it, we will see how they do it. Okay, before add the liquid, they have to check all the surface of this toilet. Is it perfect? And then is it have some crack? Is it have some wear? To amend it first and then to alter it.
After adding the liquid in the toilet all will put into this big oven to fire. So this is the oven place. Here is the surrounding toilet. Here is the top. So this accessory they will assemble into the final toilet, and then they will do a final test. Here is the test plate. So they will fill up the water pipe and test it, is it workable. Let's see. Now the water is inside works. I will start to test it. Is it comfortable? Okay, put your right hand to the test. Okay, good. This is the water testing. Here is the final step. So for the final QC on the toilet. The workers will check every detail very careful. From the surface, the part, the assemble, and the working. If everything is done, they will go to start to package and then deliver in the loading containers.
见面那天，我翻阅字典，查什么字眼？